Happy Canada Day to all my Canadian friends. I have a quickie little tutorial today from a dollar store tumbler and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so today I thought I'd just do a quick little tutorial or a quick little idea for a Canada Day tumbler for my Canadian people, including myself. So I found these at the dollar store and I thought they were quite cute. And I bought these little guys. They're like little nail decorations. I got these from Amazon. I'll link them. They're quite cute little guys. And we're just going to make a little snow globe tumbler. So what we need for this is clear glue or glycerin. I prefer clear glue for these, but if you prefer glycerin, that's fine. And the mixture I use is a 1/4 cup of water per tablespoon of glue. If you want it to flow a little slower, use more water and less glue. If you want it to flow slower, use more glue. So all we're going to do for this one, we're going to use these, and I think we're going to add some of these as well. These are just some iridescent, just glitter that I got at Michael's, but any kind of iridescent glitter will work. And we're going to need a squeeze bottle as well. I think my little maple leaves might be too fat to use the method I normally use to get these into the tumbler, so I'm just going to put these in manually just through the hole. So I'll put probably most of these in there. It's not a very big container, but probably most of these are going to go in there, and then I'm going to add likely a teaspoon of the other glitter, but I think we're going to add that in the way I normally add my glitter, and that I use the squeeze bottle to get them in there, which is a lot easier than trying to get them manually through the hole. And just use any little tool you have to poke these through the hole. Tweezers work. And I did use my hot tool to make a hole in this tumbler, and I'll link the description. Whoops. I'll link that in the description here of how I make the holes in the tumblers. I stopped using a drill and I now use a hot tool. So do check that out. It works very well. I do have a video for that and I'll link it in the description and link where I got the tool in the description. They actually come from Amazon, so they're pretty easy to get, and they're around they're very cost effective anyways. They're not a terrible price. They're definitely worth the little bit of investment that they are. All right, so we're done that. So now we're going to add our iridescent glitter, and I spilled a bunch of it, but that's all right. So we're just going to add this directly to our squeeze bottle, and then we're going to add our water glue mixture to this. And I usually just leave this water glue mixture mixed up so I don't have to mix it every time I make a tumbler. Makes it a little more handy. All right, now we're going to add this to our tumbler. If I can get that into the hole. There we go. And then you just squeeze, 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 and your glitter goes right in there. You do sometimes have to shake it a little if your glitter's sticking, but just keep at it and it goes right in there. All right, and now we're going to seal the tumbler. And I'm making another video on sealing snow globe tumblers, so I do have one video out right now. It's called 3 Ways to Seal Snow Globe Tumblers, and please do watch that if you need help sealing your tumbler. All right, and here's our little cheapy Canada Day snow globe tumbler, and I don't think I put quite enough little Canadian flags in here, but you can definitely see them floating. And I think this actually look pretty cool with some white glitter as well. But it's pretty. It's a quick and easy one. These tumblers are like, I think it was $1.25 or $1.50, so you really can't go wrong if you can find them still. I did get these at Dollarama. They're not the best quality, so do buy a couple just in case one leaks. I am trying to find a solution for leaking tumblers, so hopefully one of these days I can find something that actually works. So I hope you enjoyed this little quickie tutorial. Happy Canada Day, and thanks for watching.